Resilience beyond the pandemic. In a world that had been battered and bruised by the ravages of a global pandemic, people's lives had been irrevocably altered. The once familiar rhythms of daily existence had been disrupted, and the journey toward recovery had only just begun. It was a journey marked by struggles, but it was also a journey of incredible resilience, motivation, and inspiration. Part 1: The Darkest Days. The pandemic had struck suddenly and without warning, leaving the world reeling in its wake. As the virus spread rapidly, communities everywhere had to make unimaginable sacrifices. The streets grew empty, and people were confined to their homes, isolated from loved ones and the world they knew. One such individual was Janet, a nurse on the front lines. Her days were a blur of fear, exhaustion, and heartache. She witnessed firsthand the suffering and loss caused by the virus, yet she persevered, driven by a deep sense of duty and compassion. Janet's struggle was a testament to the resilience of frontline workers worldwide. As the world grappled with the pandemic, there emerged a collective spirit of resilience. Communities banded together, supporting one another with acts of kindness and solidarity. People like Marcus, a small business owner, faced the daunting task of keeping his store afloat. He adapted his business model, embracing online sales and curbside pickup, determined not to let his dreams crumble. Part 2: The New Normal. After a year of lockdowns and restrictions, the world began to slowly open up. However, the new normal was vastly different from the world they once knew. Angela, a single mother, faced the challenge of balancing remote work with her children's online schooling. The juggling act was relentless, but she found strength in the support of other parents and the resiliency of her children. With the pandemic still casting its long shadow, the world had transformed in myriad ways. The importance of public health and scientific research became more apparent than ever. Dr. Jonathan, a scientist, had spent years researching viral diseases. He now worked tirelessly to develop a vaccine, a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Vaccination campaigns rolled out across the globe, and slowly, people began to rebuild their lives. For Anthony, a restaurant owner, this marked a turning point. He faced the challenge of reopening his business, implementing new safety protocols, and rehiring staff. The road to recovery was long and fraught with uncertainty, but he refused to give up on his lifelong dream. As the world emerged from the darkest days of the pandemic, many individuals found a renewed sense of purpose. Emily, a teacher, had adapted to virtual classrooms during lockdown, but now she realized the profound impact she had on her students' lives. She embraced the opportunity to inspire and educate, knowing the importance of resilience in times of adversity. The post-pandemic world brought forth numerous lessons. From the importance of gratitude to the value of community, individuals like Ricardo, a retiree who had reconnected with old friends, discovered the beauty in the simple moments and relationships that matter most. Part 3: A Global Perspective. The pandemic had touched every corner of the world, and its effects were far-reaching. Dr. Mei Ling, a doctor who had volunteered in underserved countries during the crisis, understood the global nature of the struggle. She dedicated herself to providing medical care to those in need, reminding the world that we were all in this together. The journey was far from over, and people reimagined their lives with newfound resilience. Jane, a young artist who had struggled to find her creative spark, embarked on a project to document the stories of those who had faced adversity. Her artwork captured the essence of the human spirit's enduring strength. In the post-pandemic world, the future remained uncertain, but one thing was clear: the resilience, motivation, and inspiration that had emerged during the darkest days would continue to shape the world. The struggles faced and overcome had not only revealed the depth of human resilience but also inspired a better, more compassionate world. As time passed, the scars of the pandemic began to fade, and life returned to a semblance of normalcy. The world had been forever changed, but the indomitable human spirit had prevailed. The struggles faced during those dark days had given rise to a brighter, more resilient, and deeply inspired future. In this post-pandemic world, people had learned to cherish the moments of connection, the power of empathy, and the strength that lies within themselves. The story of resilience beyond the pandemic had become a testament to the enduring human spirit, capable of rising above any challenge, no matter how daunting. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to learn English through watching these kinds of interesting stories daily. Please click on the screen on any video showing on your screen to watch it next. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.